Amazon sellers, welcome to Inside Information, where I get to share with you a ton of information. Today, we're going to be talking about Google Trends for Amazon sellers and count them, three huge issues you need to know about that are causing sellers account suspensions and causing sellers listing suspensions. Google Trends report. Amazon shipping suspension is again a breakout term. Now, Arthur's going to put the graph on the screen and you can show that shipping suspensions have been going up and down, and right now they are on an upward trajectory. Make sure your shipping is dead on. Don't end up calling me for a plan of action for an Amazon shipping suspension. Today at 12 noon, you must join me at Stand Up for Retail. Stand Up for Retail is teaching retailers, online sellers, Amazon sellers how to thrive specifically during the coronavirus pandemic. At 12 noon today, in just another hour or so, I will be teaching you how to safeguard your Amazon account and protect your sales for private label sellers. And I think what I'm going to talk about is applicable to everybody, because if you're not selling your own brand, then you need to know how brands are protecting themselves. So Stand Up for Retail at 12 noon today. Don't miss it. Three huge issues for sellers from all the calls, all the chats, all the emails, all the suspensions this week. Use this information so that you do not end up needing me or my team to write a plan of action for you. You don't want to need an Amazon appeal. So here are the three issues you need to be on the lookout for. One, price gouging. It is still huge. You're still getting suspended from Amazon. Amazon is still turning over all of your data to state attorney generals. State attorney generals are reaching out to you with very, very threatening letters. And also what you really need to know is that if you're writing a plan of action for a price gouging, a fair market pricing violation, you have to assume that Amazon's going to turn it over to the state attorney general. Whoever writes that plan of action has to review the criminal law in your state and then write the plan of action in a way that if you take that plan of action and it's given to the state attorney general, you're not opened up to criminal liability. Do not use consultants for fair market pricing violations. Don't do it. Number two, counterfeit complaints and IP complaints were absolutely through the roof this week. So make sure, number one, your consumers are receiving exactly what they would receive if they bought the product from the brand or a brick and mortar store. And number two, a huge cause of this is packaging. Make sure your packaging is up to date. The consumer has to receive whatever they would get from the brand or a traditional brick and mortar store, even if they're receiving it from an Amazon seller. Number three, inauthentics. Inauthentic suspensions are still the number one cause of listing suspensions, number one cause of account suspensions across the board. You need to know how to write a concise, persuasive plan of action. Watch our videos, download our free book, know what you need to look for on your invoices before you send them to Amazon. Or if you want the very best plan of action in the entire world, contact me and my team here at AmazonSellersLawyer.com. Thanks for joining me for today's Amazon Sellers Lawyer Inside Information. And again, don't miss today at 12 noon, Stand Up for Retail, how to make money, how to thrive during the coronavirus pandemic.